Hello, another day, another pair of shoes. Guys, today I am unboxing a pair of shoes to add to the wall. You guys know I'm a big shoe gal. I love me some shoes. I plan my outfits around shoes. I love it. I am your self-proclaimed resident shoe girl. Are you allowed to self-proclaim something like that? I'm going to. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know which shoes I'm talking about, but I had to put it on YouTube because these shoes need talking about. And you guys absolutely need these shoes. So here we are about to unbox my shoes. So guys, these are a pair of Christopher Esber sandals. These are the first Christopher Esbers I own. It's an Aussie brand. And guys, let me tell you, fantastic. So I first saw these last year on Instagram from a girl that I absolutely love. I can't remember her name. Valentina something. She is the designer for Rat and Boa, and I love Rat and Boa as well. But yeah, so I saw this on her Instagram, but last year's version had a base that had like a zebra pattern, and I'm actually so sad that I missed out on those because they're fantastic. So when they released this year's version without the zebra pattern, I was like, whatever, I need them in my life. So let's get into it. All right, so we have some heels, extra heels, a dust bag, cute, all shoes need dust bags, that's for sure, perfect for packing. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, so much straps, so much stuff. Okay, let's chat. I mean, it's a lot of straps, so I'll put some photos so you guys can see what they look like on, but they are absolutely fantastic. They give me the Celine vibes. There was a Celine two-tone sandal that Phoebe did some years ago that I absolutely missed out on. So when these came out, I absolutely needed them. They're so unique, and you guys know I like a unique shoe so much. I mean, who else would you see wearing something like this? I am obsessed. Look at them. Look at these stunners. They're black and white. They literally will go with everything. And hot tip, if you liked last year's version like I do, as of today that I'm filming this video, I don't know when it's gonna come out, on the Christopher Esber website, there is still, I think, one pair in a very small size that's on sale, so you go get them so I can be jealous of you. But if you like them in this color, they're full sizes on the website at full price. Okay, let's get into the shoe. These are called the Arta heel. They come in a few different colors, if I'm not mistaken, but my favorite being the black and white. They are 100% leather. They are lambskin leather on the exterior, so they are a little bit more susceptible to getting scuffed, but it is a shoe after all, and it goes on the floor, so at the end of the day, it's gonna get scuffed. But don't let that deter you from buying them. They are fantastic. Now the heel height, they don't have listed anywhere, so I'm gonna measure it right now. Here is my measuring tape. I can't. 3.5. All right, they are a 3.5-inch heel, which is fantastic. It's a short heel for me in my world, girl. That is totally manageable. And look at there, I already scuffed them. I can't with myself. Full disclosure, I've already worn these, so I can give you an accurate reading of how comfortable they are. So let's get into my rating system. Comfort, I'm going to go with 9 out of 10. They were fantastic. I wore them all day. I walked far. I was shooting in them, and I walked to get Starbucks, and I walked to get lunch. All of that fun stuff. It was fantastic. The only point I'm deducting for comfort is these two toe straps. Now, the thing about them is they're not uncomfortable. I think that's what worried people first, because toe straps can be super tight on shoes sometimes. The thing about them is they're a bit loose. So I don't know if it's my pair specifically because I only have the one, but my toes can wiggle and it doesn't feel as secure as the top strap, but I don't feel like I'm gonna fall out or rip them out or anything. It's just something that I noticed when I put them on, that, you know, there's a lot of room for your toes, and unless you have ginormous toes, or unless this is a defect, it's a little bit big, but it's not uncomfortable. It doesn't make walking any harder. So that is the only point I'm taking off for comfort. Otherwise, fantastic. Great heel height. Fantastic. Style, I give these babies a 10 out of 10. I mean, they are a black and white shoe. They are opposite colors. They're super unique. No one's gonna have these except for me and you. And they literally go with everything because they're black and white. I mean, come on. What more reason? They're just fantastic. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I love something that wraps and ties. So it might be my bias, but that's why I also gave it a 10 out of 10, because anything that wraps is my favorite. I love it. Wraps, laced up. I love it so much. I love it so much. So that's a pretty good score. Out of 20, it got 19. So this is a shoe that we all need to invest in. And in terms of styling and how I'm gonna wear it, how am I not gonna wear it? That list is probably shorter. So I'm not gonna wear it in the winter because for obvious reasons. I'm probably not gonna wear it in the fall, obvious reasons again, but literally with anything else. Dressed up, all black looks, dressed down with jeans. I feel like sensibly you could wear this to the club with a black dress. It would be super cute, or like at a fun event, it would be super cute. Even though the heels are shorter, I wouldn't have hated it if they did them a little bit taller, but because they're black and white and the style of them, I think you can totally dress these up. Like, it's a win for me. Guys, how many more reasons do I need to tell you that you need them in your life? Same way as I needed them in my life. So much. So purchasing wise, I bought these directly from the website, and they imported from, I'm guessing, Australia. So I did have to pay duties. I'm in Canada. I did see them on the Farfetch website. So I know that if you do buy from Farfetch, duties are included in your price, but they were a bit pricier on the Farfetch website. So I don't know if that makes a difference, but I thought I'd just give you that tidbit of information. Yeah. Anyways, you guys will be seeing a lot of this on my everything social media. I'm going to style the hell out of them. I am going to wear them always, and I'm going to post about them because I love them. They are my current favorites, but I say that about all of my new shoes, so it is what it is. Welcome to the families, babies. Welcome to the families. Anyways, that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video of my little unboxing, and I will see you guys next video.